Welcome to revisions and also dear teacher. Monday, the fresh day. Fresh day, and as I have completed all the chapters, only statistics I did not do it, and I felt these board examination questions are
Fresh day,
helpful to you,
as I have completed,
so that's why I have started board exam paper. So now onwards I am going to do the board exam paper MCQs, as well as I am going to discuss subject 2 questions also. Now I have taken first 2025 question paper, 2025 March question paper. So you can see the first page of 2025 question paper. Code will be there, and 31 by 1. So 31 by 1 is the code of the question paper. So this I am going to do. So like this we have around 12 question papers from CBSE board, okay, for the same 2025. So because each exam 3 sets will be there, so this will be the first set number 1. You can see on the top, set number 1. In the parallelly I am going to discuss AP State Board MCQs also. Now this is the maths of standard exam, okay. There is basic and standard for maths. Most all the CBSE students they know, but AP State Board it is only one paper, okay. So now for them standard and basic both result the same, right? So now without wasting much time, let us start revising, discussing the questions of 2025. ఇది 2025 సిబిఎస్ఈ పేపరు, మీకు కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్, కొద్దిగా ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. సో యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్ code, question paper code will be there. You have to write the hall ticket number, your hall ticket number. You have to be very careful. Of course invigilators will do. This is the hall ticket number, and this is set 1 and the series, okay. So these are the questions. You will be having 27 printed pages. Sometimes in very rare cases 27 pages will not be there. So all the students should check first number of pages given in this, whether you have 27 printed pages or not. Candidate must write question paper code on the title of the title page of the answer book, okay. This code you have to write, this question paper code. Question paper code is given on the right hand side. Check, this question paper contains 38 questions. Most of the students they neglect these instructions, right? Please follow the instructions. When you want to play a game, when you want to win the game, you should follow the instructions, and you should be aware of the instructions also. So now 15 minutes time has been given, allotted to read the question paper, 15 minutes, and then question paper will be distributed at 10:15 am. If it is not distributed, you can question invigilator and the school authority people. And from 10:15 to 10:30, 15 minutes will be given, and 10:30 you have to start. So So these instructions will be given by whoever is there in the examination invigilator. Those people will be giving you the instructions. So the candidates will read the question paper only between, they cannot write the answers between 10:15 to 10:30. So this is the first page. The next one, let us start. Section A, it will be started. Section A, the section A 20 multiple choice questions, each carries 1 mark. Each carries 1 mark. 20 questions will be there. And this will be the first question. This will be the first question. Alpha, beta are the zeros. You can write down. See. Question రాసేసుకుని పెట్టుకో మళ్ళీ రిఫర్ చేసుకోగలరు. Alpha, beta are the zeros of polynomial 3x square plus 6x plus k such that alpha beta is equal to -2. Find the value of k. Very, very important question. Very important question. First I want you to do and then I will be doing. Okay. So now alpha plus beta. So now A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 6 and C is equal to K. Alpha plus beta is sum of the zeros. No? And the formula, what is the formula for alpha plus beta? Sum. Minus b by a, minus 6 by 3, so minus 2. Alpha beta, c by a, so k by 3. So what is given here? Alpha plus beta and this one. Alpha plus beta is minus 2, alpha beta is k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So send the other side, otherwise. Okay, what I will do, I will multiply with 3. So 3 2 is 6. So 3 into k by 3, 3 will get cancelled k, 3 will get cancelled 6, and k is equal to this is a 3 will get cancelled, k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 we got. Minus 6 plus 6 0. K is equal to 0. So there is no 0 answer. Where we went mistake? Alpha plus beta is equal to b by a. b by a minus b by a kada. So where we went? Minus 6 by 3 minus 2. Check the textbook. One student has written alpha plus beta is equal to is minus b by a. Sum of zeros. Let us check one by one. Alpha plus beta is sum of zeros. This is correct. Alpha beta c by a, k by 3. This is also correct. Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is alpha plus beta. This is alpha beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is also correct. Okay, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 into k by 3, 3 will get cancelled, k, and here it is wrong. 3 will get cancelled, here minus 2 will be there. The second step is wrong. So 3 into 2 minus 6, 3 will get cancelled, k, and here 3 will get cancelled, minus 2 only. So k is equal to minus 2 plus 6 plus 4. Plus 4 is the correct answer. So this is the answer. So sometimes this procedure usually I adopt. Okay, I adopt usually, but because I am doing it directly, I could not get it. So alpha plus beta into alpha beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so minus 6 by 3. Alpha beta is k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So now across you can cancel 3, denominator same is there, 6 plus k is equal to minus 2, k is equal to minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. Okay. So let us go to second question. Second question is linear equations in two variables. So k is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. One solution is given, and so here two equations are given. In first equation a is unknown, and second equation b. So now in this the relation is given between a and b. So we have to find out a and b. So now substitute, you take the first equation, 2x minus 3y plus a is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, y is equal to 2, 3 into 2, 6. So minus 4 plus a is equal to 0, and a is equal to 4. You take the second equation, 2x minus 3y, sorry, 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y minus b is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, 2, y is equal to 2, 6. So b is equal to 8. So the relation is b is equal to 2a. b is equal to 2a. Okay. Because 2 4s are. So then if you put here 4 and 8, wrong answer. 2a, 4, 8. This is the correct answer. Okay, you substitute these values, no need. You put these values here, you will be getting only one answer. So let us go to another question. The midpoint of this is a coordinate geometry question. Midpoint of the line joining lies on x-axis, y-axis, origin. So here minus 4 and plus 4, 0. That means x coordinate is 0. Y coordinate we don't need, 5 plus 6 by 2. So x coordinate is 0. Therefore, on which axis it will be there? And if x is 0, it will be lying on y axis. Some questions will take very less time. Some questions will take very less time. So let us go to the another question. If theta is an acute angle, see, you try to do this. I will wait for For every question I will wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute I will do it for you. Kamali Kashyap, good morning. Sara Yadav, also good morning. Vivek, good morning. So what is the answer? By this time you should have given the answer. So you are unable to give, let me do it for you. So now our final target is to find the theta. Send 7 to other side. 4 sin theta is equal to 9 minus 7, 2. Send 4 to other side. Sin theta is equal to 2 by 4, half. So sin 30 degrees is equal to half. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. So this question is also very important question. Okay. B. ఇలా ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోని తీసుకురావాలన్నమాట. ఓకే. Send everything like this. Final equation, if you get it like that, now this is a known value. Compare these two, sin, half, theta is equal to 30. The value of tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta secant theta is how much? So here also 1, 0, 1 is there. That means all these things will get eliminated. So now let us see tan square only minus 1 by cos theta. I will write secant theta into secant theta. So tan square theta, secant into secant, secant square. So this is an identity. This is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. But here tan square theta minus secant square theta is there. So it will become minus 1. So most of the students will go for 1. No. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. If you multiply it, you minus secant square theta plus tan square theta is equal to minus 1. That means tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to minus 1. So be careful. Secant square minus tan square is 1, not tan square minus secant square. So answer is that. HCF of 98 and 28. HCF of 98 and 28. And LCM of 98 and 28. The value of n minus n. Find out HCF, find out LCM, you have to find m value and you have to find n value. Then you will be getting the answer. How much? Which answer? Okay. So then let me do here HCF 98 and 20. Okay. So here 2 into 14 and here 14 into let us 98 2 49 7 7 2 into 7 into 7 and 28. So 2 into 7. So 7 is the HCF. HCF is equal to 7. That means M is equal to 7. M is equal to 7. Then what is LCM? 7 into remaining factors. So here remaining factors is 2 into 7 14. So here 4. This is the how much? 28 into 4 and 32 4 8 3 11 2 9 392. Check the multiplication. 7 4 the 28, 28 into 4 8 4 the 32, 4 2 the 8 plus 3 1 11 8 2 2 9 392. So that means N is equal to 392. Okay, that means N is equal to 392. You have to be very careful when you are doing it. N minus means 392 minus 7 into 7. Again, we didn't get anything. Is it 392? Somewhere mistake is there. Somewhere some mistake is going on. Into 7 into 7. So HCF is wrong. HCF is equal to 2 to 14. LCM is equal to 14 into 2 into 7. 14 14s are 196. So that is why it went wrong. N is how much? N is 196 minus 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 14s. 7 14s are another 98. Okay, so 98 is the correct answer. Okay, so here see okay, so be careful with orally, so we will be getting mistakes. Please do it. The tangents drawn at extremes of the diameter are always, that means this is one diameter, this is diameter. So if you draw the tangents at the diameter, they are always parallel. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Two triangles are given. This is the triangles question, and we have to find out whether they are congruent, similar or not. So first, one pair of angles are equal, one more pair of angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. They are similar first. So in this answer will be eliminated. Not similar is given, and neither congruent, this answer will be eliminated. Only two answers are there. And B is equal to 3DE. Sides are not equal, therefore not congruent. So only this is congruent as well as similar. Wrong, and similar but not congruent. Is that correct? ఇది చేసాం కదా, వీళ్ళు చదువుకుంటే చదువుకో. One more question. ఎగ్జామ్ ఉందా నీకు? మరి రోజు ఎగ్జామ్ అంటే రోజు మిస్ అవుతా కదా. So this is the question. I think you can give me the answer. -1, if it is odd number, definitely you will be getting minus. -1 minus whole to the power of even power, always +1. This is the concept you have to keep it in the mind. So now this is always +1 because 8 is even number. Now answer is 0. Here +1 is there, here you should get -1. If -1 should be there, then n should be always odd. So n is the odd number. Okay. Let me get the answers from audience. So two polynomials are shown in the graph. The number of distinct zeros of both the polynomials. So both polynomials are intersecting the x-axis at two different points. So each polynomial is having two distinct roots. But here it is asked both the polynomials, the number of distinct zeros of both the polynomials. So it is a critical understanding. Answer 2 भी हो सकता है, 4 भी हो सकता है. So let me find out the logic of the viewers. How we understand it is very important. So answer C. So S2 minus S1 will give you second term. Let me see if somebody gives the answer. This is just 11, more 20 questions we have to do, and I think my viewers are only listeners, not doers. So now you just see S1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 3 is 5. This is first term, sum of first terms. So this is A. And S2 is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. So 4 to the 8, 6, 14. So this is a T1 plus T2, sum of two terms. Now we want second term. So 14 minus 5, 9 is the correct answer. Nine is the correct answer. Somebody gave 12. Let me check my answer. S1, 2 into 1 square is 1, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3. So 5 is the first term, correct. Okay, now S2 means sum of two terms. 2 square, 4 to the 8, correct. 3 to the 6, correct. 8, 6, correct. So sum of two terms is 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 is the correct answer. So let me go to another question. So the mean mode of data 15x, 18x. So the median, you have to use empirical formula. So whoever remember empirical formula, only they can do the answer. I told you empirical formula is very, very important. So at this, I think at this time I can conclude my class. So I will be concluding my class. Pre-median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Pre-median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. This is the empirical formula you have to use. Now put the values. Mode is 18. Mode is this is mode 15x, and 2 mean is 18x. So 15x plus 36x, 40, 51x, which is equal to 3 median. So the median is equal to 51x by 3, which is equal to 17x. $17x is the answer. So everything depends on this. I told you this type of question definitely will come in the board examination. So 13th question. The card is selected at random in a deck of 52 playing cards. The probability of it being a red face card, so you should have the awareness of the cards in this. If you are having if you know the cards, playing cards, most of the people, they say that playing cards is very bad, but mathematically here we have to understand the pack of cards. So red face card. So there are two red colors in the card, two red colors and two black colors. So now face card, red face card. So A, Ace, A, K, Q, J. A, K, Q, J, K, King, Q, Queen, J, Joker. So 3 face cards will be there in each color. Only 3 face cards will be there in each color. Okay. So now here 2 red colors are there. So 2 into 3, 6 face cards are there. Right? 6 face cards. Then 6 by total, how many total red cards? 6 by 52. Three by 26. So probable outcomes is 6, total outcomes is 52. So 6 by 52. Answer 3 by 26 is the answer. Are there 2 red cards? That means 2 into 3, 6 face cards. Okay, now these are the probable, possible. Now 6 by 52, 2 table. So 3 by 26 is the answer. 3 by 26 is the answer. Okay. So which of the following is, this is first question, which of the following rational number rational number, it is given rational number. So eliminate, this is non-terminating, non-repeating, this is irrational. So this answer cannot be there, right? Pi is irrational, this is also not possible. So only 2 answers are there. So you have to find out. Root 3 is 1.732 something and root 5 is 2.2 something. So now 1.8 it will come here definitely, and 2.3 it will go this side, therefore in between only this answer is there. So this is the answer. D is the correct answer. Okay. The sector of a circle has a area of 4 pi units. The central angle is 72. So area of sector is equal to 40 pi. So formula x by 360 into pi r square is equal to 40 pi. Pi will get cancelled. Angle is 72 degrees. So 72 by 360 into r square is equal to 40. So 36 table 10 times, 2 times, 5 times. R square is equal to 40 into 5, 200. R is equal to square root of 200. 10 root 2. 10 root 2 is the answer. Okay. So this is a question from circles. PA is the tangent, P is away from O, and AB is a diameter, and this angle is 190. So now what is APO, and this answer we asked. This is how much. So now this is already 90 degrees. Okay, you can have in two ways. Exterior angle to this is 115. 115 is equal to this plus this. So this is equal to 115 minus 90. So this question mark is equal to 115 minus 90. So 5, 25. 25 is the answer. Or this will be 180 minus 115, sum of three angles. That also you can have it. So if you have more concepts in the mind, you can easily do it. So in this we have used exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. 115 is equal to this. If you say this is x plus 25. Okay. So this is how you have to do. Let us go to another question. The kite is flying at a height of 150 meters. Let us draw a kite. This is kite. This is 150. K is the kite. So now this is the thread. It is attached to a string inclined at an angle 30 degrees to the horizontal. The length of the cord. So we have to find out L. So now we have to apply trigonometry here. We know opposite side. We have to find out hypotenuse. The relation between opposite side and hypotenuse is sine. So now sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side is 150 by L. Sine 30 degrees is half 150 by L. So L is equal to cross multiply 300 meters. So the length of the string is 300 meters. Trigonometry applications question. Okay. Let us do 18th question also. A piece of wire, this is from areas related to the circles. Piece of wire 20 centimeters is bent in the form of an arc. So let us say this is arc, and this arc length is 20 centimeter. Okay, arc will be having definitely a center. So now here length of arc formula. Length of arc formula you have to use. Length of arc is equal to x degrees by 360 into 2 pi r. So length of arc is given 20 centimeters is equal to, right, in the circle of radius is given 60 by y. So x by 360 into 2 into pi into 60 by pi. So pi will get cancelled. This 60 in 360 6 times, 3 times. So now x by 3 is equal to 20 and x is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees is the answer. So here length of our formula you should know, otherwise you won't get the answer. Okay. Now this is last two questions based on assertion and okay, reason. So for 19th and 20th you have to choose from A, B, C, D. For these two questions A, B, C, D are the options. So now for 19th question you read it, choose A, B, C, D, the correct answer from this A, B, C, D. So this is a little bit confusing, but you can easily do it if you are having the concepts. So now here first question, the probability of selecting a number at the random from the numbers 1 to 20 is 1. So any number from 1 to 20, there are 20 total possible outcomes, probable outcome possible also 20, 20 by 20 1. So 1 means this is 20 by 20, correct, true. So you have to identify whether this is true or not. So true. For any event E, P is equal to 1, then E is called sure event. This is also correct, true. That means both are true. So to decide whether it is you have to decide here true or false, because everything is given true like. So first you decide whether it is true or not. So now based on this true, both are true here. So here both assertion reason are true, here true. So this is true and this is false. So these two won't come. Answer will be definitely from these two. So read the completely. Both assertion reason are true. Yes. The reason R is the correct explanation of A. Yes. This is the correct explanation. So answer is A. Check B also. The reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Wrong. So our answer is A. So based on this, you have to know what is a sure event, and you have to know probability also. Okay. Now let us see the 20th question. Right. If we join two hemispheres, this is one hemisphere and this is one more hemisphere, you will be getting a complete sphere, right? So if then we get a hemisphere, this is true. Now the total surface area of sphere is 3 pi square, this is false. Total surface area of a sphere is 2 pi r square, not 3 pi r square. So 3 pi r square is the total surface area of hemisphere. Therefore this is false. So one is true, one is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. So this is the correct answer. So this is how, because it's very simple, you have to decide which is true, which is false, and then follow this. You will be getting easily. So now with this I have completed all the questions. Now this is the subject 2 paper. So subject 2 questions tomorrow I am going to do it, right? So with this I